channel and happy National Dog Rescue Day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this sweet dog bowl cake filled with homemade dog biscuits that you can give to your four-legged friends. The recipe I am using today is completely nut-free, so if you are allergic to any peanuts or tree nuts, you don't have to worry about it. If you, a family member, or someone else you know are looking to adopt and give a dog its second home, please check out your local animal shelters. I attached some of the shelters that are in my home state. Their links are down below in the description box. And if for some reason you are unable to adopt at the moment, you can always donate to these shelters. They really appreciate it. You can donate paper towels, dog treats, blankets, toys, bandanas, leashes, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video, and with that being said, let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking. To make these homemade dog treats, you'll need a half a cup of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 4 tablespoons of water, 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 egg. To get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine the flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and baking powder in a separate bowl. In your electric mixer, mix the pumpkin puree, water, and coconut oil until it is well combined. Then it is time to add in your dry ingredients into the electric mixer. Finally, add in the egg and mix until it is nice and smooth. Once that is all done, remove it from the mixer and onto a large cutting board. Cover the surface with the whole wheat flour and roll out the dough until it is about 1/4 of an inch thick. Now it's time to grab your bone cookie cutter or any cutter you would like to use. Cut out your dog treats and place them onto a baking sheet. Poke the treats in the middle with a fork, then place them in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. Remove them from the oven and place them onto a cooling rack to chill. Then you're ready to surprise your furry friend with a homemade treat. Now it's time to decorate the cake. To make this dog bowl cake, I baked 2 batches of vanilla cake. Then I leveled both layers and carved them until they made the shape of a dog bowl. Next, I spread some frosting to the bottom of the tray so the cake wouldn't move. Then I filled and dirty iced the cakes with red vanilla frosting. After that, I placed it into the fridge to chill. Once the cake had time to chill, I rolled out and covered the cake with fondant and made sure everything was nice and smooth with no cracks. I removed the extra fondant and placed the cake off to the side while I cut out the letters. Since today is National Dog Rescue Day, I rolled and cut out the letters to spell the word home. I added some water to the back of the letters so they would stay on the bowl. And dusted off any extra powdered sugar. Next, I rolled a long strip of red fondant, cut it about 3/4 inch thick, and placed it onto the bottom of the bowl. Finally, I filled the dog bowl with the homemade treats until it formed a delicious pile for our new 4-legged family member. Video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know when the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family. It is totally free to subscribe, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I hope your 4-legged friends enjoyed their homemade doggy treats and that you enjoy the cake. If you would like me to try any more cake ideas or techniques, please comment them down below. Also, if any of you recreate any of the delicious treats and desserts I have made on this channel, please send them to me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I hope that everyone is staying safe and well and enjoy this lovely spring weather. Bye!